The FKJGP Garo Hills Zone is seeking immediate removal of Jawaria Islam from the post of Project Officer of the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency. In this regard, the FKJGP had submitted a written complaint to the Director of MNREDA, but until date, no such action has been taken on the part of the government. The FKJGP stated that as per the information received from various sources, Jawaria Islam had recently completed a bachelor's degree in sociology from Guwahati University and is not qualified to be appointed for the post as she does not fulfill the eligibility criteria. In this regard, the organization has also demanded for a fresh advertisement to the said post.
FKJGP Garo Hills Zone Turani Anchni DC West Garo Hills District DC ni Japo forwarding letter ko Anching State ni Meghalaya New Renewable Energy Development Agency Director na reminder letter ko untaya yo nani chini reminder letter nani bidungaran digwa mijas kangba chinga bina complaint letter ko sedo ha je Srimati Jawaria Islam je kon Project Officer Sio kahachum appoint kahachum West Garo Hills District na uko mamung government ni Meghalaya Surkari ni mamung dongaman niyam ko jarak kija illegally appoint ka ani bidungo chinga complaint letter ko na uni bidungo dao na kangkang ba chingna mamung response pa dong puja agency ni director ni mamung dakpo intimation letter ang ba chungna sok puja ya mande ko ragal ha warang ni bidungo ba mamung cover ba chungna sok puja uni man chinga dalo reminder letter ko thaya aru ni gisa po angay ko achka song doing pa achka kantinan dagi vietna skinga je Jawari Islam ko je kon project officer seo kahacham wa mande ko niyam ko jarak jarong jok mamung advertisement ko ba anchni local print media ba electronic media obo onja mamung office ni notice board ko ba vacancy ko ba mesokja apsan somayo written exam ko ba conduct khaja interview ko personal interview ko ba conduct khaja dige niyam ko pitrak claim na niyam ni nal saon ke appoint ka ha aru wa mandeni qualification ko ba chinga cover ko manso ha wa mandeni qualification ba chungja bini foreni gadang ro PA sociology san diba wa project officer ni phoso nangeng pa mandera technically gen thalga ba wi pa kharin rangi bidungo electrical engineering course ko dakka ba ko je ko ne bachelor of engineering course dakka ba ko sa nangachim uni bidungo chinga mija chingi complaint letter onani gisepo mam cover dong kuja aro dauna cover dong kuja ni bidungo dali gisepo chinga anchini DC West Garo Hills District Ramsini through forwarding letter ko unat thainga chinga khadong suenga chini daoya letter unat bani bidungo niat ken ne diba uni gisepo mamu positive response tongjakin chung ode chingbo FKG ko rakke jaku di auna ka katauna sukken chinga democratic way o nanggen ore makhangchi rakba sinjet tani ko dakanggen chinga agitation ko ngatken office picketing ko kauna chinga sukken uni wen tharak ki chini molani ko chini request ko kena chakchina ne